What's good guys, Dynamic out here, come back with another video. I know, right? Shocking to see me upload. This video is mainly here to address the problem I've been seeing on YouTube about the comment wanna be friends. I have a picture up on screen for an example, but before I get into that, if you guys like the gameplay in the background, it is on my second channel, but parental guidance is advised for adult language in the music. Now onto the video. This comment has recently been on lots of videos, whether you have thousands of subscribers or just under 50 and scraping rock bottom. The only thing I have to say for this is to not interact with this comment whatsoever. Do not subscribe and do not comment back. It is a trap for someone to hack into your Google account. Interacting with this account is like a password for them to take over your channel. I did the work so you didn't have to. I went into a random account and clicked on their profile to show that they have no videos, but they have 100,000 subscribers. It's very easy to get tricked by this because they have such a following on this account and they are promoting someone else's channel who also says that they've been hacked. But under any circumstances, do not interact with this comment. If you guys want to see more videos on this channel, please leave a like. If this gets 15 likes, I'll upload another video. Do not forget to subscribe or post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. And other than that, peace out and say God tier, guys. Peace.